There is also a way to increase the battery life of this tablet, and you can do that by going in settings, then go in battery, and here you will see this option maximize battery life, and we have quite a few options down here. So first one is low power mode. You can turn it on, and what it will do is that it will optimize the device's display settings to conserve power, and it will turn off automatically when your Fire is charging. Next up, we have automatic low power mode. So here you can select at what percentage the low power mode will turn on automatically. So you can basically schedule it. So here by default it's selected at 20%, and it will be turned off when the tablet reaches at 90%. Next up, we have automatic smart suspend, which automatically turns off wireless connectivity when you are not using your Fire. So this also helps in increasing the battery life, which means if you're not using your Fire HD tablet, the Wi-Fi or wireless connectivity will turn off. Now I have this feature turned on, which has increased the battery life significantly on this tablet. Next up is scheduled smart suspend. So once again, you can schedule this feature at certain times of the day and within those days at certain durations.